They respect me. They don't respect Biden. How would you respect him? Why? For what reason?
It's important to remind the former president, you're not running against Joe Biden, you're running against me. This war would be over within 24 hours because he would just give it up.
Every 4 years, the world turns its attention to a single event, the US presidential election. While only 160 million Americans will cast their votes, the outcome will ripple across the globe, affecting billions of lives. This election, however, feels different. The stakes are higher, the tensions sharper, and the future more uncertain than ever.
The next president of the United States, Donald J. Trump.
Our country is being lost. We're a failing nation.
What you think is a friendship with what is known to be a dictator who would eat you for lunch.
What happens in Washington, D.C. this November won't just define America's future. It will shape the world for years to come. The United States isn't just a country, it's a global force. Its reach extends across every continent, shaping global markets and military coalitions alike. In 2024, America's defense spending still outpaces the combined budgets of the 8 nations. On the economic front, it generates nearly a quarter of the world's GDP. With such immense power, decisions made in Washington ripple across the globe, leaving a lasting impact far beyond its borders. The occupant of the Oval Office shapes more than just America's domestic policies. They set the tone for the nation's global stance on critical issues like trade, security, and climate change. The president's choices send shockwaves across the world, influencing everything from the cost of goods in Europe to the stability of fragile states in America and the Middle East. Each decision made in Washington can tip the balance, impacting global economies and political landscapes alike. Whether the US engages with or withdraws from global issues has profound implications for how other nations navigate economic and political challenges. And this election is being watched more closely than ever because of the sheer number of crises facing the world right now. Right now, the US is deeply engaged in 2 significant global conflicts: the war in Ukraine and the escalating tensions in Gaza. In both arenas, American leadership has been pivotal. However, the next president will face an increasingly complex geopolitical landscape where their decisions could dramatically shape the trajectory of these crises, either stabilizing or intensifying the conflicts. The stakes are high, and the choices made in the Oval Office will have profound global repercussions. Ukraine, a nation fighting for its very existence, has leaned heavily on US military aid and diplomatic support. President Zelensky has consistently emphasized the critical role US backing plays in Ukraine's struggle against Russian aggression. However, there is growing unease that a potential Trump victory in the upcoming election could signal a significant shift in US policy, possibly undermining the strong support Ukraine has come to rely on in its fight for survival. Donald Trump has claimed he could end the war in 24 hours if elected. But how? Could he push for negotiations that favor Russia? And how would this impact Ukraine's ability to defend itself and its sovereignty?
I want to get the war settled. I know Zelensky very well, and I know Putin very well. I have a good relationship, and they respect your president, okay? They respect me. They don't respect Biden. How would you respect him? Why? For what reason? He hasn't even made a phone call in 2 years to Putin, hasn't spoken to anybody. They don't even try and get it. That is a war that's dying to be settled. I will get it settled before I even become president. If I win, when I'm president-elect, and what I'll do is I'll speak to one, I'll speak to the other, I'll get them together. That war would have never happened.
The stakes are high, not just for Ukraine, but for all of Europe. If US support weakens, what does that mean for countries like Poland and the Baltic states that rely on NATO's security umbrella? There's even concern that a re-elected Trump could move to pull the US out of NATO altogether, a move that would dramatically alter the balance of power in Europe. And then there's Gaza. where US support for Israel has been a long-standing point of contention. The conflict between Israel and Palestine has reached new levels of intensity, and US foreign policy here is becoming increasingly divisive back home. Many younger Americans and Arab Americans are increasingly vocal in their opposition to the US government's support of Israel. This growing dissent could pose a serious challenge for Kamala Harris, potentially costing her crucial electoral votes in battleground states with significant Arab American populations. Yet beyond the immediate impact on domestic politics, a larger question looms. How will the US, under new leadership, influence the future of peace in the Middle East? The answer could redefine America's role in the region for years to come. While Europe and the Middle East dominate the headlines, there's another front where US influence is being tested: the Asia Pacific, where tensions between the US and China have reached new heights. For decades, China has been the US's largest strategic rival. And whether Harris or Trump wins the presidency, this rivalry is set to intensify.
China never even thought of invading Taiwan.
Donald Trump, during his previous term, took an aggressive stance on China, engaging in trade wars and imposing tariffs that disrupted global markets. A second Trump administration could see a return to these policies, further straining the relationship between these two global superpowers. Taiwan sits at the center of the US-China rivalry, a flashpoint with global implications. Both nations view the island as pivotal, and the threat of military conflict over Taiwan looms large. What the US decides in the next 4 years could significantly impact the stability of the Asia-Pacific region, with the potential to either diffuse tensions or ignite a broader conflict that reshapes the global order. The stakes have never been higher. India, another major player in the region, has been skillfully navigating its relationship with both the US and China. Under a second Trump term, US-India ties could strengthen, particularly given Trump's hardline stance on China, which aligns with India's own regional interests. However, Trump's protectionist approach to trade, marked by high-profile disputes like the tariffs on Harley-Davidson motorcycles, are frictional points that could strain economic relations between the two countries. Beyond military conflicts and diplomatic maneuver, the US election will have enormous consequences for the global economy. The US has been gradually shifting its supply chains away from China to nations like India, Vietnam, and Mexico. The shift has created new opportunities but also new risks for global trade. As the world's largest consumer market, the US has the power to disrupt global trade with even minor shifts in policy. A second Trump administration could see a resurgence of protectionist measures, with tariffs not only targeting China but also affecting key American allies. This could strain relations with countries like Germany, Canada, and South Korea, all of which rely heavily on US trade. Meanwhile, Kamala Harris and her running mate, Tim Walz, have signaled a more cooperative approach to trade, emphasizing the need for stable global supply chains and alliances. Yet, the question remains, will this be enough to calm the growing tensions between the world's largest economies? As the world closely follows the unfolding US elections, one thing is undeniable. Its outcome will shape the trajectory of global politics for the next 4 years and likely beyond. Whether it's President Zelensky in Ukraine, diplomats in Beijing, or investors in London, all eyes are on who will take the helm of the world's most powerful nation, knowing that the decisions made in Washington will reverberate across the globe. In an interconnected world, what happens in the US has consequences everywhere. The US president isn't just a leader for America, they are in many ways a leader for the world. The stakes are higher than ever. And as America chooses its next president, the world holds its breath, knowing the decision will shape the course of history.
Don't miss out. Log on to oneindia.com for more updates.